Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to edit your name in Google Pay. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Pay application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Google Pay, guys, you'll be greeted by this new page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account, or if you do not already have one, guys, go ahead and sign up for a new account. And after logging in with your account, guys, now you'll be greeted by this homepage right here of Google Pay where you can see all the options you have for Google Pay, such as setting up tap to pay, you can send or request money, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to edit our info and our name. Well guys, it's very easy. What we want to do guys is go ahead and click on this profile picture right here of us in the upper right corner. Click on our profile picture guys, and this is now going to go ahead and open up this new menu where you can see all the options regarding Google Pay, such as you can see your balance, you can see your wallet, your deals, and so on. So guys, now what we want to do is scroll down, and we want to scroll down all the way down until we find this option that says manage your Google account. So guys, go ahead and click on manage Google account, and this is now going to go ahead and open up this new menu where you can go ahead and manage your Google account. So what you want to do guys is go into this tab right here that says personal info, and in the personal info tab guys, you want to go ahead and change all of your information that you want to change, such as your name, you can change your address and so on, anything you want. After that guys, just exit out, click save, and it will automatically be saved into your Google Pay. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.